If your website doesn't reflect the type of business that you want to portray, it's going to impact the perception that your target market has of the services that you provide. When it comes to creating a website strategy, branding really matters. If you have a website that Google believes is high value, they're going to be more likely to put you in a higher ranking position for keywords. The better design and branding that you have on your website, and of course,
welcome to Websites That Convert, the podcast where your website stops being a liability and transforms into your greatest asset. I'm your host, Shannon, and I'm going to guide you through the strategies and insights you need to build a website that not only attracts, but converts. Let's dive in.
If you're a business owner that has a website that you know deep down, or perhaps even people have told you, doesn't look good, and you are questioning whether this is actually impacting the results that you're getting in your business, well, in today's episode, I'm going to take you through 3 reasons why your website design really matters if you want to get more website conversions. The first reason why your website design matters is because of branding. So branding is more than just your logos, colors, and fonts. It's everything that creates a perception in the market. So every time a customer or potential customer interacts with your brand, either in person, so say they see your signage or come into your clinic or your office or something like that, as well as your online presence. So when they see a social media post, they visit your Facebook page, and definitely when they come onto your website, it creates a perception for them. If your website doesn't reflect the type of business that you want to portray, so say for example, you want to portray a very high-end professional business and create that value in the market, if your website doesn't reflect that, it's going to impact the perception that your target market has of the services that you provide. So when you go and want to put yourself out there as a professional high-end service provider, and then someone goes to your website and sees that it doesn't reflect that, they're not going to be able to connect what you want your brand message to be and what they're seeing on the page. So when it comes to creating a website strategy and getting more conversions on a website, branding really matters in terms of creating clarity of your brand message, your brand authority, creating brand recognition, so keeping things consistent, which helps to build trust and credibility in the market. So this is the first reason why your website design matters, and that is because it helps to create a better, more cohesive brand message and credibility and authority in the market for those customers and potential customers that are interacting with your brand, whether it's in person or online. The second reason that your website design really matters is because of user experience. So user experience is when we start to look at things. So the look and feel of the site, very important for all those reasons I just mentioned. User experience, definitely one of the big things when it comes to website design. And if you don't have a good user experience with your website and the way that people are interacting with your brand through the site, it's definitely going to impact the results that you're getting for your website conversions and your business overall. The third reason that your website design really matters is because of a ranking factor with Google called time on site. Now, Google ranks your website and gets you traffic based on a number of different factors, and one of them is this. The longer that people are on your website, interacting with your brand, consuming your content, it indicates to Google that you have something interesting to say and that your website is of high value. Now, if you have a website that Google believes is high value, they're going to be more likely to put you in a higher ranking position for keywords. So the better experience, again, the better design and branding that you have on your website, and of course, an array of other things that we need for a well thought out website strategy and a website that converts, will increase the time on site for your visitors, and as a result, tell Google that you're an authority and that they should send more people to your website, which means you're going to get more traffic, which means you're going to, as a result, get more website conversions. So if you're wondering whether your website design really matters, now I may be biased, but I can definitely say from my experience, creating a website with a well thought out strategy that looks amazing, has a great user experience, and gets traffic is a recipe to get you more website conversions, which results in more leads and sales for your business. Remember, we want to have great branding, we want to have a great user experience, and we want to make sure that we allow people or make people want to stay on our website and interact with our brand.
Thank you for listening to Websites That Convert. If you found value in this episode, please give us a 5-star review on Apple Podcasts and Spotify. Follow us on all social media. And if you're a service-based business owner that's looking to double their website conversions, book a call with my team using the link below. I'll see you in the next episode.